Hey everybody, Nick here from Doc Chicken Farm. Thought there's a lime tree, a miniature lime tree to boot. Not too miniature, not too many limes either. Over here we got the bell peppers. Doing a quick update on the farm. Got some potato plants in here. Oh yeah. There's the habanero plants. Over here we got some more habaneros. That's a habanero. Some more jalapeno plants. Here's my tomato plants. Got 5 of them. Those are Romo tomatoes. Look pretty good. This here's cilantro. It's really tasty. I actually cooked with a little bit of it yesterday. That is oregano. This right here, this is a basil plant. More of the cilantro and oregano. The garlics, they've seen better days. They're okay though. They're underneath there. They're still alive. They're giant pomegranate tree or bush. It's a bush, but it looks more like a tree now. Been growing that for like 15 years plus probably. A water collection unit. Them tanks is full. Oh, check out the chickens. Hey, chicken. Those are my big chickens. Sunflower bushes. Got that sunflower there. Yep. Cannoli. I got these over here in the corner. I figure it'd be cool to have these grow up right here. Get a little bit more shade over yonder. And let's go check out the little chickens. Little chickens ain't so little.